Hello everyone, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to prepare chicken stir fry. Start with the olive oil in the pan, then add the onion and garlic. Stir for a bit and add chicken strips. Then add the pointed sweet pepper and baby corn. Keep stir, then add the black pepper powder and the chili flakes. In the same time, add the rice vinegar and the dark soy, a bit of sea salt, and keep stirring. When it's nearly ready, you'd add 2 tablespoons of almond butter. All the ingredients used in this recipe are keto friendly and low carb. Thank you really much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye!